Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you another update. This is the rare 1958 Volkswagen Bus or Volkswagen Transporter van. It's really noisy in the shop, so we thought we'd just pull it out and show all of the metal that's been done. So in earlier videos we were talking about the front where we cut out the old rusted front fender. We now have the new fender in place and welded in. If you recall earlier videos, once again, we had that whole front floor pan replaced. It's all original German stamping with all the nice grooves in it, so that's been installed. And then if you remember, we were doing the side panel, I think in the other video that you saw, it was just getting placed on, but we had to do all the factory spot welds, the correct spot welds. So that's what you see here on the side. There's no warpage. We've got the original factory seam here, the original factory seam down the side, and every single spot weld that the factory did, we have replicated. We've got both corner pieces done around the back. And it looks quite nice, and then you can see on the inside just through this back door, if you look on the left side, you've got the whole new panel, and it's all welded once again, the same locations. And then if we come to the right hand side or the passenger side, you can see where we have this other quarter panel. They call it a half quarter, I guess, before the doors. And if we come down now the passenger side, I believe in the earlier video we did not have this on. We had this opened up and we were ready to do the install on this and the floor. So now we have all the metal work done. You'll see there's some surface rust on it. The next stage is to media blast this, coat it with a two-part epoxy to seal it. And you can see they've got this really nice, so it's the original factory seam once again. So the spacing is exact, and it's all been welded, the exact number of spot welds the factory did. And then same thing along here in the opening. We measure, mark, and then drill out every single spot weld the factory did because of crash standards, and then we make sure that it's all replicated. And then the inside, we now have the complete new floor. So in the earlier video, we had the support pieces, the new inner and outer rocker panels, the new cross rails, and now you can see with the weld through primer here, every single spot weld all the way across from underneath. So we had the van on the hoist, and then we welded everything nice and secure. And then you can see we have our brand new outer rocker panel, and once again you can see all the little areas that the spot welds have been put on. And then we have our nice fender on the passenger front side, and then you come along the front, we've done the lower portion of the nose because the client didn't want to go up too far, wanted to keep it as original as possible. It was very rotten down this end, so now we have this new section, and then we have our new bumper brackets. So quite a difference from when it first arrived. So now we've got all the new metal in, and jack posts and outriggers. So now structurally everything's done on the van, and with this latest Corona thing, what's going to happen is it's now going to go into storage at our client's home. And then later what it'll do is it'll come back out of storage, and then we'll continue with the doors, the side panels, and so on. So this is the 1958 Volkswagen Transporter van. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.